The Makeblock CyberPi Coding Kit is a versatile microcomputer that guides learners from Scratch programming to Python programming, making it a comprehensive tool for coding education. This kit comes with a wide array of built-in modules, including sensors and a Wi-Fi module, enabling users to explore data science, networks, IoT, and artificial intelligence concepts. With the inclusion of an expansion board and pocket shield, users can extend the CyberPi's capabilities and even design video games or create voice-controlled projects. Supporting both Scratch and Python, the kit is compatible with multiple operating systems and devices, providing flexibility in how and where learning can take place. The Makeblock CyberPi Coding Kit includes up to 37 lessons, making it an accessible resource for both teachers and students to progress from basic to advanced programming. This STEM kit is designed to inspire creativity and innovation in children and teens, offering endless possibilities for educational projects and hands-on learning.